Welcome to Eduling Speak's Conducting and Reporting Research course. Get ready to start an exciting journey that will prepare you into a skilled researcher. This course will guide you step by step through planning, conducting, and reporting your very own primary research study. Throughout the course, you'll learn what research truly entails. You will become more confident at reading and analyzing research articles and reviewing literature. You'll learn to craft clear research questions, collect and analyze data effectively, and report and discuss your findings with confidence. Plus, you'll gain proficiency in using APA citations. Our engaging short videos and interactive quizzes make learning these concepts a breeze, while practical assignments allow you to apply what you've learned in a real-world project. EdulingAI will be there to help you brainstorm ideas, plan your research, and reflect on your progress. By the end of this course, you'll be a more confident writer, researcher, and critical reader of research. Are you ready to take your research skills to the next level? Let's get started.